morning.
Good morning, my prince. I came to the palace and one of your guards told me you are here. You look... you seem worried. What is the problem? Is anything the matter?
I still have not been briefed the reason my father died. The last time I visited, he was very healthy. And here's the point I'm trying to make. My father appeared to me in my dream and asked me to forgive him for not telling me the cause of his death. In that dream, I insisted to know the reason for my father's death. He refused to tell me. He said to me it wasn't necessary. If he had told me, I'd probably be heartbroken. Then he disappeared.
My prince, I want you to be strong and brave. No matter what you see or hear. You heard me.
Is that all you have to say?
That is all. That is all.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes, that is all.
Please leave.
Is everything okay? You look troubled.
Daisy, I'm fine. Is there anything you want us to talk about?
No, I thought I should check up on you. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
If you say so. So, what about your health? Any improvements?
I think there is some improvement, but I can't wait to be fully okay.
Don't worry, Father. You'll be okay soon, okay?
Thank you.
All you need to do right now is to get some rest. You don't need to stress yourself. I didn't even expect to see you here at the palace. You're meant to be in your bedroom resting. Because staying here might only worsen the situation.
I only came here to have some quiet time. I'll go to my bedroom soon.
Very well then. I will stay here with you until you're ready to go in.
No. Oh.
Are you okay? How long has this been going on? Easy. Don't worry, Father. Sorry. Okay, hold on. Let me get you water. Sorry.
You can't just walk out on those elders like that.
What do you expect me to do? sit down and watch them spill rubbish?
Prince Osita, it has been decades. The throne left Amanzala to this community. And since then, they have been looking for a way to get back the throne. And the only way that can happen is when a sacrilege is committed by the king.
Now listen to me. I am my father's son. If my father or any of his relatives committed a sacrilege, I should have known before he died.
Prince Osita, don't you think your late father, King Dikeh Ikenga, has a reason for keeping certain things as secret?
What other reason? Apart from not coming home when my brother died? Or not getting married so I can be around my people and get used to them? What else?
Prince Osita, we don't have to talk on that for now. Those elders are still waiting in the palace. I want us to give them respect by giving them attention. This issue will be visited by weekend, and that is few days from now.
Now listen to me. I do not care about the throne. I am only concerned about what killed my father.
You will do that when this issue is over. Definitely not now.
I'm sorry for your father's illness.
Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you being here. You didn't even waste time after I called you over the phone.
Why should I? When I know how worried you will be.
Your presence here has actually made things smoother for me. You can imagine, my father has been pretending to be okay. He hid his health from his own daughter. Can you imagine that his health has worsened and he didn't deem it fit to tell me?
Maybe he don't want you to see him go through all this pain.
You have a point there. Had it been you're from this community, I would have begged you not to go back to the city today.
Who say I'm going back to the city today?
You're staying?
Yeah, I'm staying. But Adekze, I don't want you to be worried, okay? My mother knows a very good traditional doctor that can heal any kind of sickness.
Okay, thank you very much for your concern. I will tell my father about it.
Okay, that is good. Sorry.
You know, whenever you sing this song of friendship, there is this feeling of sisterhood that always comes to me, as if we were related by blood.
Of course we are.
You are truly a gifted soul.
Thank you.
Blessed with such a good voice that cannot be sold for a fortune. I admire you so much, my friend.
How will my head? My head is getting too big. It's getting too big with your praises. Easy with the praises, come on. Have you forgotten you're the one who helped me out? Have you forgotten those days I used to be very shy? And I'll be so shy that I can't sing in the presence of people. You'll now be the one to tell me those words of encouragement and tell me when you come before people, you should be able to stand, go in deep, bring out what God gave you and use it. And I have never since then forgotten about it.
I am flattered.
Thank you.
Okay, let me be going. I'll see you later.
Okay. I wish you're not going, but bye-bye.
Okay.
And later now, we'll see, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye. Don't forget your bye, you promised me.
It's alright.
My baby. My baby.
Agaba, please. I don't have strength for your drama. In Ania, excuse me.
My love, chill now, calm down. See, ever since I profess love to you, whenever you see me, you will start running. Eh? See, let me tell you something. All I need from you is that sweet answer that will gladden my heart.
Uncle, how many times have I told you I am not interested? Ida Anife. Are you deaf?
That is not the answer that I'm craving for. I'm not the answer, John.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Please look for a maiden that will give you the answer you're craving for, because that answer you're craving for will not come from me. My friend, get out.
Be calming down now. Be calming down. See, you see this your body. Carry this your body. Give me everything with the both from up down.
Are you mad?
I know the mad. Give it to me. I'm not gonna tell anybody.
Agaba, is something wrong with you?
I am complete now. That's why I want to chop something now.
Respect yourself. If you want to eat anything, go and eat your ancestors. Are you mad? Are you all right? My friend, get out.
Make I chop you now. Not nobody gonna know. Calm down.
Oh, you don't want to get out?
Look, I chop you. Hey! You the Chris?
Agaba, stop now.
Why did you hit me in the precious part of my body?
Why did you leave my way? Leave me
Go,
alone.
go.
Agaba, leave me now. Leave me now. This is harassment. Why were you touching me?
Agaba, leave my sister alone.
You the Chris?
Please leave my sister alone.
Bala. Did you know what she did to me?
What did she do to you? Chasing her all around. And look at the way you use your muscle to hold her. She's a man like you.
Bia. See how she did like crayfish. If I get you, I will squeeze you the way I squeeze my towel and hang you.
You will not do anything to me.
I will not do anything to you.
Yes.
What do you want? So if I leave you hit my sister.
Young man!
If I leave you,
Leave that girl alone!
Usiebe.
Leave her alone! Can't you see you're hurting her? Huh? She's a female, and you're supposed to treat her with care. Oga, you don't ask question. You don't know where you there, be? Oga, you don't ask question. You don't know where you there, be?
stop.
You don't ask who Agaba be.
Stop fire. You stop for where? You dey mad? Oga, you don't ask question, Abi? Oga, you don't ask question, Abi? Next time if you see Agaba, you run. If you see Agaba next time, you run in the place. You the grace, you the man. Hey, come on, they well. Okay, I'm gonna come back. Come on, they well also.
Let's go.
Good day.
Good day, young man.
You tried to stop me.
I am actually looking for the king's palace here in Afanasa.
Why are you looking for the king's palace?
Actually, I have a message for the Prince Osita.
Are you from this community?
No, I am from Oboduku.
Have you met the prince before?
No, but I have met his father several times before he died. I'm really sorry about your loss. Sorry to hear that he died while you were still away. And your late brother as well. Please, I'm sorry for your loss. Please accept my sympathy.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I appreciate. But then, what message brings you from the royal palace of Oboduku?
Well, the king demands your presence urgently.
And why does he want to see me? I am not yet the king.
The king is sick, and he wants to see you in person before he dies.
You still haven't answered my question. I'd like for you to go straight to the point.
Right. Princess Ita, I don't want you to take this the other way around. What I am about to tell you now is the truth about you.
All right, go ahead.
You see, King Dikeh is not your father. He is just your foster father.
You need to watch your mouth. Watch your mouth, else I'll kick you out and charge you for blasphemy.
Princess Ita, kicking me out will not change the truth from the truth. You are his only son, and that makes you the heir to his throne.
I'll pretend we never had this conversation.
Look. This might sound crazy, but it is the truth about you. I was so worried when you demanded my presence. It is unusual for you to summon the elders at this time.
Njobo, thank you for responding to my invitation.
Thank you very much.
What I have is something that one head cannot carry.
You are getting me more worried. Does this have to do with your health?
Njobo, I have a son.
A son? In this kingdom?
He is not in this kingdom. I just got to learn that the second son of a late king of Afanasa kingdom is my son.
I am getting confused. How did you know about it? But why would she do this? Giving your son to another man just to be crowned king?
I remember
she actually told me about the pregnancy. But I thought it was just a joke. Besides, I wasn't really ready for such a responsibility. And that was the last time we talked about it. I think after then she left for Alfanasa Youth Festival. That's all.
So you mean she left with the pregnancy, fell in love with Dikeh, gave birth to the child there, and came back without the child?
Maybe. So it seems.
This is very deep. It's very, very deep to comprehend.
And the poor prince does not know his identity.
Now that King Dikeh is dead, how do we convince the prince to believe us?
She said the friend of a late king is aware of the secret. It's there in the letter.
I can see it here in the letter.
From the little I gathered, they said he left the community when the late king decided to carry out a declaration that the Wampatas and the Osu should share the same status in the community. And I also gathered that he came back after the demise of the king. So it's in the community right now.
Well, that makes it easier for us.
I think so. Please, let us give it.
So, Prince Osita, that is all I have to say.
The woman you said gave birth to me, is she still at Obuduku?
No. She came back to our community 2 years after she left Afanasa. And that happened to be the same year her father died. She was angry because another woman came with a child to King Dikeh, claiming that the child was his. She came back sorrowfully and heartbroken. And that was why she died, how she died.
What about her friend?
Yeah, her friend is very much alive. She's still around.
Is she aware of this?
I am not too sure because she did not mention it in her letter.
Awele, Chioma, where are you two coming from?
Oh, we are going to the market. We want to get a few things.
Yeah. Mwanu, you push should get me something when coming back.
Okay. Give us money now.
Awele, you are money. You can't get something for your friend. Must I give you money?
You have to give us money to buy something. It's not as if we are asking for transportation money to the market. Oh.
I've never seen anybody that likes money like you, Awele.
Chinasa, don't mind her. We'll buy you something. But don't expect something big. We'll just buy you what our money can get.
My darling, just small things.
Why not? You can buy her something. After all, she's your cousin.
It's okay, it's okay. Hey, Awele, why is your eye choking out like you want to steal from me? Auntie, easy before you go and rob bank. I mean, they can't like too much. You think?
Wait now. I was the one that demanded for the money.
Collect it.
See the way you... Don't go and rob, Biko. Take it easy, Take it easy.
I will buy you something.
Here. I mean, you need to work on this, your love for
Don't
money.
mind her.
Well, Your Highness, that is it. I did not want to push him any further to avoid any embarrassment. But I think he will get back to us after he must have thought it through.
Thank you, Ejiofor. I appreciate your efforts.
Thank you very much.
But if you ask me, I will say you should go back in two days' time. I believe after 2 days he should be able to think it over and come with you to the palace.
2 days is okay. But I want to suggest 5 days or 7 days because he is very much affected by the death of his late father, King Dikeh. And I believe that in 5 days' time, he must have come over it.
I want to see my son before I die. The way things are, I'm not too sure if I will live as long.
Look, my king, do not say that. You still have very much to fulfill as a king. And I promise you, I will bring him to you. Do not say that. Please. I know that you will both live together as father and son. And I am very sure that his presence will get you back to your feet again.
The rhythm of a drum of death that I used to hear far away from my palace seems to be close. I can hear it close by. I could just go there without anyone noticing me.
All right. Please, I will go back. And I promise to come back with him. Is that okay with you?
I want to hear.
My king. Guards! Anybody there? Maids! Guards! My king. Look, water!
Why this happening to me this way?
Chirado, I am still pleading that you give me more time to raise the money for the rent. My business has been doing badly. We are barely feeding from hand to mouth. Myself and my daughters. Please, I don't have money. Give me a little more time.
Have I not tried? Ekene, tell me and tell the whole world if I have not tried. Your husband died 8 years ago. And we are here talking about just 8 months' rent. And we are saying you don't have money to pay. Eh?
I don't have money now. Business has been bad.
Yeah, it's all right. There's no problem. But let me tell you, it is better for you to respect yourself and do the needful. Because I don't want to wake up tomorrow morning and still meet you and your daughters in this house without having paid my rent. Because if it happens, very easy. I'll go out there, get all these boys that do not know their parents. They lack feelings to pull you out.
Tiago, you do not sustain. You do not sustain. How can you throw us out from my own husband's house? Can I know that my husband built this house, which we forcefully took away from us when my husband died? Yet you're demanding rent from us. Is it fair? Tiago, is it fair? I'm just a poor widow. I don't have help anywhere. I've told you, I don't have money. If you're insisting that I pay rent, give me a little more time, let me raise the money. I don't have it. I don't have any money on me.
Ekene, stop talking about me not being fair. Is life itself fair?
Uncle, please, when we have the money, we'll pay you. Please. Only, please.
Listen, let me be done with your mother. Is life itself fair? See, if you don't know how to raise the money, there's still no problem. Okay? I can help you to raise the money. I will help you by renting out your daughters to men who will be able to make good use of them. From there, you will make money to pay the rent.
Tiago.
Yes?
What are you saying? God forbid.
Forbid what?
Abomination. You rent out my own daughters. Your own brother's daughters.
Yeah, by money.
Tiago, can you send my daughters for prostitution to pay rent in their own father's house? Listen to yourself, Tiago. Is this not wickedness?
No.
Why be wicked to us? What have we done to you?
Listen,
can you hear me again, Tiago? What have we done to you?
You don't need to shout. I'm not being wicked to you. I did not say I'm not sending them for prostitution. I only said I will rent them out to men who will be able to make very good use of them.
Forbid.
Okay? See, listen. Your mother is just making the whole matter difficult for herself, for me, and for you, the daughters. Look at her. Look at how nature has endowed her from top down. Everywhere she's full. Nobody will see her and say this woman is not having money. And she's here telling me lies.
Tiago, I don't have money. I don't have money. Leave me alone. Leave us alone. Leave us alone to raise the money. We don't have the money to give to you.
Have the money, please. We'll pay you back. Please.
When you have the money, you pay me back.
Yes.
There's no problem. Like I said, your mother is making the matter difficult. First of all, look at this crap here. Easily, you can call all these people. I think I should even do that. I will call Ayo Condemn. Take this crap out of the place because it's disturbing the compound already. And apart from that, like I said, your mother is well endowed. If she cannot pay in cash, in kind, if she cannot pay in cash, you can pay in kind.
Wicked man.
Wicked man. Stop crying.
Look at what I've done to this
wicked man.
What have I done to Tiago? What is it?
It's your Mogini, what is it?
No, uncle. He came here and started embarrassing himself because of rent. Mama, please stop.
Rent? The uncle said he will throw us out if we don't come up with the rent. He said he will call boys to come and throw us out. What have I done to this man?
So this man actually meant what he said the other day. Like you're going to DAB, huh? Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay.
It's okay.
What kind of wickedness is this now? Hey, what kind of trouble is this? It's not like we give you trouble in this house. It's not like we give you, we trouble you in this house. We give you peace. We mind our business. Hey, what is all this now? Which one is paying rent in my own father's house? I don't like this, so I don't like this. This is not nice now. We don't give you trouble in this house. We don't find your trouble. Why not let us have peace? This is not nice, so it's beginning to look like witchcraft. This is not nice. Let's go inside.
My own father says you want me to pay rent. No problem, we'll give you rent, but just let us have peace. Don't stress about it again.
A stranger came to me and left a message about the mystery of my identity. But I find it very hard to believe. And my parents are not alive to confirm this message. I remember my father said to me, you were his closest friend. He shared certain secrets with you. Please, I want you to tell me the truth. What is my true identity? Who am I and where am I from? Who are my biological parents?
The stranger you talked about, who is he? What is his name? And where is he from?
Who he is, where he is from, does not bother me. What bothers me is the truth. And I want you to tell me the truth. Who am I and what is my true identity?
Prince Osita, this is a very deep secret. Like your father told you in the dream. It will hurt you. The truth will hurt you.
Ichi Amadi, I do not care. At this point, I don't. I want to know the truth. Who am I and what is my true identity?
This is just so difficult for me to do. Like, how would I allow you to take custody of a child that doesn't belong to you? The father needs to be aware that I have a son for him.
Please, don't let him know. If he knows, he will ruin my chances of becoming king. And he will take custody of the child. I promise I will take care of the child like my own. And I will keep it a secret.
Secrets?
Yeah.
But Madi is already aware of it. Besides, he even came up with this idea that we're talking about. Dikeh, were you lying to me?
I wasn't lying. Amadi is my close friend. Yes, he is the architect of this whole plan. But he will keep it a secret. No one is going to hear about it. Okay, don't be scared. Very soon, the kingship will leave Amozala to Afanasa. And it is coming to the Kenga family, which I happen to be the right person to be crowned king. All I ask of you is, marry me. Just agree, accept to marry me, and everything will be fine.
Dikeh, I doubt if my father will ever agree to this. I know what he went through from the hands of my mother's people. My mother died in his absence after giving birth to me. For that reason, they hated him for years. He won't accept to this.
So they transferred the hatred to your father. That was unfair. That was very unfair.
My purpose of coming to Afanasa was to get acquainted with my relative, dwell among them for a short while, then go back.
Your mother is from Afanasa. That makes you qualify for me to marry you. At least you're not an Osu. So all I ask is please accept me.
Dikeh, you are still not getting it. What if your people find out that the child is not yours? Have you think about the humiliation it might bring?
How would they find out? Will you be the one to tell them? As for Amadi, he's my close friend. He's even more secretive than I am. I promise you, no one is going to hear about it.
So you really trust him that much?
Very much. Uzoma, please hear me out.
You can't
please.
Stop me from going back to Bodogu.
Please, Uzoma, just hear me out. Obieze has been proven to be my son. And I have no choice than to accept him. Even though she did not tell me about it. See, all these things happened because my mother would not accept her. Because of the land dispute her family and my family had. But please, I'm begging you, see reasons with me, please.
My pain is not even that. The fact that you knew about this and you kept it away from me.
I thought she aborted it. My mother lied to me. She made me believe she aborted it. I was surprised when I presented you to my people. They accepted you just to get back at her. Please, Uzoma.
Dikeh, now that she's back, what will happen?
I will marry her. I will marry Ogadema. And we will all live as family. She has my first son, Obieze. You are my first wife. And that makes you my queen. The queen of Afanasa.
So, my prince, that is the truth. Your mother traveled to Boduku and promised to return. But she never did. Then, your father had to forge ahead. He married Ogadema, the woman who you knew as a mother. She was the one that nurtured you during your tender age until she died. Your mother, I mean your biological mother, started appearing to your father 2 months before his death. She troubled him in his sleep every night that he should go and confess the truth to the people of Amozala on how he became the king, and also open up to you the truth about your identity, so that you will find your root and dwell among your people.
The question is, how could he be so wicked? How could he be so heartless? He hid such deep secret from me. He manipulated my mother into such an evil act without caring about my future, without caring about the dangers that would face my mother if Dikeh finds out. I regret calling him my father.
He actually opened up to the people of Amozala a day after Obieze's funeral, because he thought that was the reason for Obieze's death. The next day, he was relieved of his kingship. He didn't know how to say this to you over the phone. But I tried severally to convince him to speak to you. He said this matter has nothing to do with phone conversation.
It is quite unfortunate that you are trying to indirectly blame me for your stupid actions. Both of you. I pity my mother. I pity my mother for allowing herself become a victim. It is so unfortunate.
I am sorry, my prince, that things turned out this way. We can foretell what the future has for us. Believe me, I regret the whole thing. I thought the best idea I could give was coming up with that. Blame me. Don't put the blame on your late father.
You see, Ichiamadi, sometimes I wonder why some people who occupy influential positions dehumanize other people in the name of money and fame, in the name of power. Do you have an answer to that?
Father, your health is not improving. Why don't we try the option my friend Obina talked about? Maybe you can get your healing through there.
Daisy, there is no need for all that. What you are saying now is as a result of the oath my great-grandfather took. He says any of our lineage that becomes the king must at a point in time in his life or in his reign receive an attack and die. I am happy to let you know that my reign brings to an end that barbaric oath. Yes, and I just think that it would be a waste of resources chasing after what we know will not give us solution.
You never can tell, Father. Maybe this is different. Maybe this person communed with the gods and has a solution that would help anyone who doesn't know what this is all about.
And this is my daughter. There are some cases the gods are mute. This is certainly one of them.
Ekele! Isiame! Ekele! Isiame! Sinasa! Ekele! So you people in this house and you decide to go deaf and dumb without answering me. Is that it? Ekele! You better come out, oh. All of you better respond now. Come and pay me my money. Have you people just decided to go dumb without answering me? Ekele! Oh. So this is the new tactics. You must come and pay for the rent. I must collect the rent. If you think you will not pay, it's a big lie. I will collect the rent. Idiots. Nonsense.
Uncle.
Yes.
Uncle.
Uh-huh.
Why are you shouting now? You have been shouting.
You are an idiot. Is that the best way to address an elder? Is that the best way to greet me?
Uncle, good morning.
What is good about the money? What is good about this money? The only thing that can be good about this money is for me to get the rent.
Uncle, but my sister and mother is not around.
Where have they gone to?
They went to the pharmacy early this morning for treatment.
Oh, that's the new trick. That's the new trick all of you want to adopt so that you don't pay me.
Trick with you.
Okay, it's alright. Take me to where your mother is.
Take you to where?
Where your mother is.
What for?
What else? What else if not for the rent?
Oh, it's about the rent.
Oh yes, what else?
Uncle, I have it here.
You have it?
Yes, I have it here.
Bring it, bring it.
And Uncle, my sister said I should collect receipt for confirmation of payment. Uncle, receipt.
I don't need to ask. Because I'm very sure this money here is not complete.
Uncle, that's all we have for now. We'll bring the balance later.
This is all you can afford. Out of 8 months' rent. Nonsense.
Uncle, my sister said I should collect receipt too. Receipt. Uncle, the receipt. I'm not going without the receipt too, Uncle. Uncle!
Get away from me. Is the money here complete?
Wait.
Get out from me.
Like, I don't even get it.
Wait, why like that?
Wait, Ebele.
Yes, my princess.
I hope this young man is not following us. Look at him there.
I'm not sure. Maybe it's just a coincidence.
Better not. Else I'll give him the length of my tongue.
That's very fine.
I beg your pardon? What the hell is wrong with you? You walk up to me without knowing my reasons for being here, then you accuse me of following you to the palace. Who the hell are you? Queen Elizabeth? Huh?
How dare you disrespect me like that? If you must address me, it has to be with respect of royalty on my head. I am the princess. Princess Adeze, if you must know.
And what makes you think I care?
What insolence. Okay, I need you to leave now. You need to leave this place right now. Get into your car and leave, and I don't want to see you here ever again. What are you still doing here? I said leave! Guards! Wait, where is Ebuka? Ebuka!
My princess.
You see this man here? I don't know who he is, but I need him to leave this minute. And if he refuses to leave, bundle him out any way you can.
At your will, my princess.
Hey, Bele! Bring my bag.
Sorry? Sir, please leave. Please.
Jofo, listen to me. I can't wait until 5 days' time. Yes. I want you to go to Afanasa tomorrow. There's no debate about it. I understand. You must listen to me. If you go there earlier than he was expecting, he definitely will know how serious we are. I will call you back. Adeze, what is the problem? You're looking angry and unhappy.
Father, a young man followed me from where I went into this palace. He looks all calm and innocent, but I'm so sure he's up to something.
Where is he now?
I ordered the guards to send him away.
Let him in.
What? That's him.
Young man, come in. Young man, who are you?
My name is Prince Osita. I'm from the community of Afanasa. I'm a son to the late king, Ikenga, Dikeh.
My son.
What?
My flesh. My blood.
Father, what are you talking about?
My son.
Who?
My son. Come.
Like, I'm still finding it difficult to swallow what just happened in there. Like, our king has a son and no one is aware of it. Not even his own daughter. His favorite princess. Ha.
Even me, I'm speechless, so honestly, I'm speechless. This is unbelievable. I mean, so, wait, so he is not the head to the throne?
Come on, don't say what you're not sure of. How can someone just show up from nowhere and become the head to the throne?
This is certain now. I mean, if it is what it is, then I pity the princess.
How do you mean?
Because that is to say, if Obinna marries the princess and still have a voice in this palace, after the demise of the king, and still having a voice, that would be useless.
Ebuka.
I'm here.
Ebuka.
Yes, my love.
Who is your love?
You're romantic now. I love you. Please say it again.
Ebuka, you are sick. You are so sick. Who is your love?
It's you now. Just imagine. Just imagine the chief guards getting married to the chief mate. You know, that would be a good combination, you know.
In your dreams. Wake up from your dream because it will never happen.
Listen, it has happened to Aizo. You give birth to twins. A boy and a girl.
Ebuka, you are insane. Let me bust your bubble.
Yeah.
That is not me. It's your spiritual wife, and you need to work on yourself.
Are you leaving? Come now.
Be careful.
Come now.
Ebuka, be careful.
Hey. God.
You see that Ndidi? She can gossip for Africa. That girl is not stressful at all. Today she will say this, tomorrow she will say another one, and she just kind of lying up and down.
For me, I'm just as surprised as you are.
Why are you surprised?
After all, is she not your friend?
I don't like it. Don't call her my friend because I'm telling you just now. You're calling her my friend. I don't like it. She's not my friend.
After all, I'm not surprised. After all, Peter denied Jesus Christ. Who are you not to deny her?
Ndidi, I don't believe you. If you're not sure of this, just keep your mouth shut. Stop saying what you're not sure of.
Okay, Chi. Why would I lie with such a serious matter? Or you want to tell me that you didn't see when the princess shouted at him?
Yes, I did. But he's not the prince in this community.
Okay, Chi, see, when he left, I went to know what the young man is up to. It was then that I overheard them saying this, that our king cannot address him as his son if he's not sure of what he's saying. You may be right. Okay, Chi, not I may be right. I'm very sure of what I'm saying. But if you're still in doubt, you can confer from a berry. Maybe she will clear your doubt. Yes.
Well, if that's true, then I'm happy for the king.
Why?
Because the king will finally have a successor. Yes, Princess Adeze is a woman. And of course, a woman cannot be the king when the king has finally passed away. So it's not possible.
Well, it's true. You are very correct.
Of course. I'm always on point.
Again, let's leave here now before the princess see us gossiping. You know she's not in good mood now.
Let's go before
I beg go.
I can't believe what I'm hearing. Amobi, that our king has a son.
Amechi, I myself am very, very speechless. And how comes no one knows about this?
That's the question I wanted to ask you. Even the princess, his daughter, who is very close to him, don't even have a knowledge of this at all.
And the funniest thing is that he has kept this secret for so long. So long.
But anyway, I trust our king. He must have reason for this. Yeah, I trust him. I know.
Whatever the reason may be, it must be justified. It must.
My princess, I know you're broken because of what just happened. But please, try and be strong. Put yourself together. Your father, our king, his situation right now needs everyone around him to be strong and happy. Please, my princess.
Epela, it's not that easy as you put it. I mean, do you know what it means? Me having to battle wars with my own brother. That if truly he is.
Let's not conclude on that yet. I think maybe you should have a word with your father when he might have left. Who's there?
It's me, Uche.
Uche, what is it?
Come in. Just let her in.
My princess. Obina is there to see you.
Tell him I'll be there soon.
Okay, my princess.
Try and brighten up your mood. Obina is here now.
It's not that easy.
I understand, my princess, but believe me, he will lighten up your mood.
My mind is beclouded with a whole lot of thoughts. And I don't know if it can just erase anytime soon.
I understand. But just loosen up. With time, you'll be fine.
It's okay. Yes, I know how it feels when such a secret has been unveiled. But all I know is that one day you overcome it, okay?
I'll just not let it affect me, especially because of my father's health.
Oh, that is good. So, where is that your supposed brother in question?
I've not accepted him as my brother, and he must be inside with my father. Maybe they're sorting things out.
Adeze, my princess. Wow.
Oh, please.
That's what I want to say. You know what? Why can't we go somewhere, nice place, good spots, and have a treat? What do you think about it?
What is that? What
are you doing here?
I should be asking you that.
I was actually planning to come and see you after leaving this place.
Wait a minute, guys. You both know each other?
Yes. We attended the same school in Europe. Wow, what a touching story. Your mother must have gone through a lot before she died.
Yeah. I went from one problem to another. After my brother's funeral, my father died. And after my father's funeral, I was faced with the predicament of passing the kingship to another community. And as if that wasn't enough, the issue of my identity came up. I have done everything in my power, and I'm still doing everything in my power to ensure that these things do not get to me.
You are right, my friend. God has saved you from the embarrassment ahead of you. You have to be happy. Now you are connected to your biological father.
I have been faced with all kinds of predicaments that were created to bring me down, but I have decided not to let them get to me.
You now speak like a king.
I need to go. I need to get to Afanasa on time so I can come with the doctor.
That is okay. I have to see Adeze too.
It's fine, you should do that. She'll appreciate it.
Okay.
Hi. I'm fine. Were you able to find the place?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
Everything okay?
Yes, I took my mother to the pharmacy to take her injection.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
How's she feeling?
She's getting better.
All right, you guys are going home?
Yes, we're going home.
Let me drop you guys off. Let's go.
Yeah,
come. Sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
Our
sure.
house is quite...
No, it's okay. I'll drop you guys off.
Okay.
I'll save you the stress. Let's go.
Thank you very much. Mama, he said he wants to drop us.
Do you know him? What if he's a kidnapper?
No, Mama, he's not. I met him earlier. He seems like a nice person.
No worry. Are you sure?
Mama, let's go. Don't worry.
Okay.
Easy.
It's okay.
Is that not Chinasa and her mother? Where are they going to?
Are you asking me? Shebi we saw them here. You should have run to them and asked them, and you're asking me.
Nah, Chaselina. Wait for me now.
I beg you.
Thank you very much.
My son, thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
Let me go inside and rest.
That's fine. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Obi.
My name is Osita.
Oh, sorry, Osita.
Yeah.
Sorry, come this way.
That's alright. Your mother is not feeling well?
Mama, how are you feeling now?
So let me go in and rest.
Okay. And wait, let me get you your food now.
Your sister already gave me food.
Okay.
Oh yes, she's not feeling too strong.
Oh, okay.
That's my sister.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
My younger sister, Isioma.
Come.
That won't be necessary.
No, it's okay.
Please don't mind her,
Please
sir.
have this money. Kindly buy some fruits and some medication for your mom.
No,
okay?
no.
Please don't mind her.
Isioma.
What?
That's okay. That's alright.
Thank you very much.
That's fine.
Thank you.
That's okay. Please make sure you do that, okay?
No, I will, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. I have to go.
Okay.
All right. So I'll see you some other time.
No
all right?
problem. Let me see you.
No, it's okay. Just stay with your mother. All right.
Okay.
All right. Bye bye.
Thank you
Bye-bye,
very
sir.
much.
Bye. Yeah.
Good day, my princess.
Yeah. What is it?
My princess, we have come to tell you not to bother yourself again. Because you're very important to us here. Yes, my princess. We don't want this issue to affect you too much. So it will not cause more damage to you, my princess.
If I may ask, what exactly is your job descriptions?
We are maids. We are maids.
We are maids. Exactly my point. Because I'm wondering who assigned you to as my advisor.
We are sorry, my princess. It was Ogechi that suggested we should come here and cheer you up.
Ndidi, what is it?
Eh? When did I suggest that? Is this not your idea? Why are you lying?
You just leave here this minute and mind your business.
Sorry, my princess. Sorry.
What's going on here?
I'm Obi, and I know that you're a stranger here. What is your mission in our community?
What makes you think I'm a stranger?
Because your face don't look familiar.
Excuse me? Who asked you to do this?
I did. What gave you the right to speak with authority towards my boys? The last time I checked, you were no longer a prince. It's a shame you cannot sit on the throne of Afanasa as a prince. Even when I came back to you before your father's burial, begging you to pardon me so that I can resume my position as the palace head.
Agaba, you know, I thought banishing you from Afanasa would help restore your senses and change you. I just realized that you're just like a leopard whose skin cannot be changed.
At least I am better than you. I'm better than you that wanted to be a king. What a deception. Who will help you now? Nobody can help you. Your brother, Obieze, is gone. Your so-called father is gone. Who is going to help you? Nobody. You are just a poor orphan who has no identity. As far as Oboduku is concerned, you are a nobody. I am from this community. Do your findings and you will know where I came from. Let this be the first and last time I will see you in this community. If I ever see your sorry self here, the story will not be nice. Get inside your car and get out from here now.
Agaba, be careful.
Get out.
Get out! Put this people for you. Are you? Go.
Afternoon. Where are you coming from?
I went to buy some fruit for my mother.
Oh, okay. And you're going home now?
Yes.
Let's go together now.
Okay.
But wait. I saw your sister Chinasa and your mother entering one car.
Yes.
Who is the person?
He's a friend to my sister.
So Chinasa has a friend that have that kind of big car and she never introduced the person to me.
Chioma, it's not like that. She said they just met and they became friends.
You know you're not telling me the truth.
That was what she told me now.
And you believed her?
Of course, why won't I? She's my sister and she doesn't lie.
Okay. I'm just asking as a confined friend, that's just it.
I understand.
Let's go home.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Father, I am sorry. I'm sorry things had to turn out this way. I never knew you were just finding out. I thought you've always known and you deliberately hid it from my mother and I. Maybe you didn't want us to know that you have a child somewhere else. I'm sorry. And if the paternity test is done and Osita is proven to be my brother, your son, why not? I will welcome him with an open arm. I mean, it has always been my desire to have a brother. And right now, an elder brother, one who can stand for me in your absence, is something I've always desired. It's actually something worth celebrating if need be.
Daisy, I want to appreciate you for your understanding and maturity.
Welcome, Father.
Come here.
You're welcome, Father. Okay.
So you spent the better part of the day at your friend's place?
But I finished doing what I had to do in the house before I went out. I washed, I cooked. Is there anything else that you wanted me to do for you?
Get inside there and get my dinner ready. There.
Okay, Papa.
Come on, get inside.
I really do not have any doubt about the authenticity of the DNA result. His mother has been someone that you cannot really doubt. Doctor, thank you very much. Yesterday, you went out with him, and you came back with him. And today, the result is out. I appreciate you.
Oh, well, Your Majesty, you don't have to go this far. I'm only doing my job. I quite appreciate it as well. You're welcome.
You're welcome home, big brother.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You stopped me. What can I do for you?
Yes, I see you're not from this community.
No, I'm not. How can I help you?
My name is Choma. I'm Chinasa's cousin.
Chinasa. Oh, okay, cool.
Yes. The other day I saw them entering your vehicle, but before I could say hi, you zoomed off.
Oh, yeah. I was in a hurry. So, how are they?
They are fine, sir. She didn't even tell me she has a very rich and handsome boyfriend like this.
Chinasa and I were just friends, nothing more.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay. She didn't tell me. Okay. Can I have your contact, sir?
You can get it from her.
Okay. Nice talking to you.
Alright.
What's your name? Sorry.
Osita.
Oh, see, one man. Okay, sir. Alright. Bye-bye.
I've always wanted a brother. Seeing myself grow up without any sibling never gave me the joy I ever wanted. And it took me a very long while before I could get over it. My princess, I'm so happy for you. You know, today my secret prayers was answered in a different form and I don't even know how to express my happiness. I'm so happy. Thank you. Everything will be fine.
Where are you going to? Where are you coming from? Oh, my father said to there actually.
This one you're smiling like this, I hope all is well.
All is well. Guess who I just saw a few minutes ago?
I beg, I'm not good at guessing.
Guess, Kwanu.
Tell me now.
Okay, I saw the same guy that picked Chinasa and her mother the other day. Awele, you needed to see this guy. This guy is cute. I'm sure it's not your mother that gave birth to that guy. He was just thrown directly from heaven. That guy is cute.
Ah! Are you serious?
His skin is skin, not Woody Kasega. If you see that guy,
Makachuku, you will like him.
Chinasa must be lucky then. But he did tell us that he has a handsome guy.
They are just friends. There is nothing intimate about them. They are just friends.
Is he from this community?
That I'm not sure. But I think he's not from this community. I think he came here for something.
Choma, this one you're smiling like someone that is in love. Did he tell you that he loves you? Because I don't understand this smile.
Awele, that guy is every woman's dream. Immediately I saw the way he spoke, the way he was walking, the way he was doing. I immediately fell in love with him. That guy is cute.
Choma. You have to be very careful, oh. That guy is a stranger.
That guy is Chinasa's friend. So he's no longer a stranger. And besides, the Chinasa I know cannot associate with somebody she has no knowledge about. So he's no longer a stranger, Biko.
You're right. So I had to go home now. I'm just coming back from somewhere. I went to buy something.
No problem.
See, we need to continue this gist.
That means you have to come to my house.
Huh? Okay, okay.
For premium gist.
Continue.
Oh yeah, let me go put my phone. I was looking
for. Your Highness, I'm so happy. We now have a prince. What an honor to you. I am happy.
Ejiofor, thank you very much. Please, I want you to help me gather the elders for a meeting tomorrow morning.
I will do just that. I will do that. Please, let me hurry and do that.
Is your Opwana kende nana nichilese. Is your buduku. Anamu ubuduku.
Ekele.
Manimu kaipili nudo.
Ekele. Isiame. Isiame. Ekele.
Uncle. Uncle, good morning.
Good morning, my daughter. Yes, your mother.
She's still asleep.
What of your elder sister?
She went out.
This early morning she's gone out.
Yes.
I'm here to get the balance of the house rent.
Balance. So soon?
What do you mean?
But, Uncle, we just paid you money for months recently now.
Okay. Now, interpret what you have just said. We just paid you for some months now. Does that mean that you are not owing or you will not pay?
Uncle, we didn't say we're not going to pay you.
You cannot deny it that there's no money in this house. As a matter of fact, I saw a young man came into this compound yesterday with your mother and your elder sister. And he gave you people some money. You are the person that collected the money. Is that a lie?
Uncle, that money has a purpose.
So the rent is not the purpose?
Why are you treating us like this, Uncle? What did we ever do to you? But remember that we're your elder brother's children. That also makes us your daughters as well. So please be nice to us,
Yes. Yes, sit there. If I hear that word from your mouth again, we are your brothers, daughters, as that makes us your... I cannot give birth to you, even though we are from this. Your late father and me are of the same blood.
Uncle, shut up there. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Life itself is not fair. Listen to me. If life were to be fair, life wouldn't have allowed your father to die. So don't blame me that I'm not fair. Okay? Life itself is not fair. Anyway, I will have pity on you people and give you just a week. Within after 1 week, I'm coming back to collect my money. Tell your mother and tell your sister.
We'll pay your money. We'll pay you.
Go and bring it now. Nonsense.
get over it. Daddy was my everything. He was my all in all. Now how will I cope?
I'm sorry about the way you feel. I'm aware that you miss him so much. And it is so because you were the closest to him. You spent almost all your life with him. Good thing is, he's very proud of you. I am proud of you as well. And I promise to continue protecting you. And I'll keep being a brother. I'll always be there for you.